Let's cover the logistics of how to complete the training before we dive into the content. This training is accessible at all times, so you don't need to complete the training in one sitting. You can start and stop the training at any point. This allows you to work through the modules at your own pace, taking extra time to review more challenging concepts as needed. You can also print the slides from each module to view offline. We recommend that you proceed through the modules sequentially because later modules revisit and build upon the concepts taught in earlier modules. Thus, you should continue to Chapter 1 of Module 1 after completing this introduction. After completing a chapter or module, use the button in the middle of the screen to continue moving through the training, or use the menu on the left to navigate through the modules. Use the buttons on the top right to share the training with others or save your progress. When saving your progress, you will obtain a unique passcode called a PIN, which you can use to resume the training when you return. You must complete all of the modules in the training series to obtain your certificate of completion. The option to print your certificate will be available upon completion of the final module in the training series under the Print Certificate link. There are several resources available to you to supplement your learning during this training. The WWC Procedures and Standards Handbook is a key resource for trainees. The WWC Procedures and Standards Handbook documents all the standards discussed in this training and includes information about how the WWC reviews, documents, and reports on studies. Throughout the training, we may direct you to the handbook if you want to learn more about a particular topic. You can also consult review protocols to learn more about the scope and parameters of each review. If you choose to move forward with WWC Reviewer certification, you will use review protocols to guide your work as a reviewer. To help you understand concepts discussed during this training, we have identified key terms throughout each module. These terms are underlined and bolded in red at the first use in each module, and you will find the definitions for these terms in the WWC Glossary. You can access the full glossary through the Help Desk menu tab on the WWC homepage or from the Resources menu on the training page. The WWC also maintains a comprehensive list of frequently asked questions. You may find this resource helpful as you learn more about the WWC, our products and resources, the review process, and the Group Design Standards. You can access a list of questions and answers through the FAQ link in the Resources menu. The WWC's Help Desk responds to inquiries from the public on various topics. You can submit technical questions about how to access the training modules and resources, or questions about the content covered in the training through the Help Desk. Please note that the WWC cannot provide technical assistance to researchers designing studies. You can find all of these resources on the WWC website and in the Resources menu on the training page.